So good morning, students. Now we are going to talk about reflection of light. Reflection of light through plane mirror. Reflection of light through plane surface or smooth surface. Reflection of light by plane reflection by plane or smooth surface. Now we are going to talk about this. So now we have taken this is an plane surface. This is smooth also. So it is smooth also, means no curves. So on this smooth surface, this is an incident ray, and for this incident, and this is also an incident ray, this is also an incident ray, right? And this is the normal for incident ray 1, this is the normal for incident ray 2, and this is the normal for incident ray 3, right? Now after incident ray normal, light rays get reflected. So this is reflected ray, this is reflected ray, this is reflected ray, and this is reflected ray, right? So this is called parallel reflection, parallel reflection or smooth reflection. Parallel reflection or smooth reflection occurs. So by plane or smooth surface there is parallel or regular reflection occurs. In parallel or regular reflection, we cannot see anything, we cannot see anything except a bright spot, just a bright spot, right? You have seen so many times when light rays falls on a silver coated steel plate, yeah, on a steel plate, then we have when light falls on it, then we see only a bright spot. Similar thing happens because that is also smooth, and the here also occurs the same. When light ray falls on a plane or a smooth surface, parallel reflection occurs and we cannot see anything, just a bright spot we can see. Now reflection by now reflection now reflection now reflection by reflection of light ray by rough surface. Now we have reflection by reflection of light by rough surface. So this is the rough surface, up and downs are there. Rough surface, this is reflecting surface, so it is polished on one side. When light ray falls on it, when light ray falls on it, this is incident ray, this is incident ray, this is incident ray, this is incident ray, incident ray, incident ray. Fine. Now this is the normal for incident ray 1, This is the normal for incident ray 1. This is the normal for incident ray 2, and this is the normal for incident ray 3. Now reflection occurs. This is reflected ray, this is reflected ray, and this is reflected ray, right? So when reflection occurs through rough surface, then incident ray after reflection can meet with each other. So this type of reflection is called diffused reflection. Diffused reflection or diffused reflection, or we called irregular reflection. Diffuse reflection or irregular reflection, and we can see diffused reflection, we also call it irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. And we can see objects by this type. We can see by this type of reflection. We can see objects by this type of reflection. We can see by this type of reflection. So we can see objects by this kind of reflection. So we have two types of reflection. One is by plane or smooth surface, where is parallel reflection occurs, and we cannot see the objects. And another one is by rough surface, and it is diffuse or irregular reflection, and we can see by this type of reflection. So this is we have studied about in this video. Thank you.